go to jail.
Yeah, I don't trust you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and call my lawyer and call the city attorney, and then we will discuss.
You can come out here and have your...
You have no right into my home. You have passed the threshold. Get your foot off of my door.
You need to come... Okay, you're under arrest.
No.
Open the door. You're under arrest.
Out of my house. Get the out.
How do you do that? No!
Because he's under arrest.
He's not under arrest, Daddy! Help! Help! Help!
Boise, Idaho. A federal judge is now deciding whether a lawsuit against Boole Police Chief Jeremy Engbaum will head to trial. The case centers around a December 2023 arrest of Eli Johnson, who was pulled over for speeding and later arrested in his home. Johnson's legal team says Engbaum entered without a warrant and used a stun gun, violating his rights. The city argues the arrest was legal since Johnson engaged officers at his front door, placing him in a public setting. Bodycam footage and court filings tell conflicting stories. All charges against Johnson were later dropped. The judge's ruling is still pending.
So you have obstructing?
Yeah.
He is committed in your presence. What's his name again? Hey, is Elijah here?
He is.
Can I talk to him?
Okay, I'll let him know.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Do you know this Elijah character? Do you want to take him in custody?
What's that?
I'll take him into custody if he opens up.
If he's willing to cooperate, then
Elijah, come on in here so we can talk to you for a minute.
No, I'm not coming out there. This is my home.
Okay, well, we need to issue this citation, so
And that's fine.
can you give this officer a chance to... So we have two options, okay? Here's the thing. We can issue this citation, and you can plead your case to courts, or I'll take you to jail right now for obstructing and delay.
Okay.
So, it's up to you.
I said you could give me the citation
Okay,
already.
well then, come on out here so he can finish this up.
I don't need to go out there for him to issue citations. There's no further...
Yeah, you do. You need to stand there next to your vehicle because he told you weren't free to go yet. He needs to issue citation. So please go there, wait by your vehicle, so that way he can issue citation.
That makes no sense. I have things to take care of.
You have 2 seconds to go by your vehicle and let him issue citation, or I'm going to place you under arrest.
You're going to come on my
Or
property.
you're going to be placed under arrest for obstructing. Take your pick.
Obstructing what exactly?
You're obstructing his investigation into traffic. He's trying to issue a citation.
There is
Okay,
no
if you feel that the injustice has been, or whatever, you can apply it, you can take it up with the courts, but I need you to go by your vehicle so he can give you the citation and you can be on your way. You're stretching this out way longer than what it needs to be. It's a speeding ticket. Okay.
It's a speeding ticket, so can you tell me even how he would determine speed? What is your guys'
that is something you're going to have to take up with the judge. You can fight that part with the court.
because I'm getting tired of you guys hanging out here. This is my home. You're going to sit here and try to do a speed trap right here. So no, if you want to issue a citation, you go ahead and issue a citation.
Come out here, wait by your vehicle.
No, I am not.
Come out here, wait by your vehicle.
No, because then once I leave my private home, then that gives you reason for arrest. I am on my private home.
Right now, you're about ready to go to jail.
Yeah, I don't trust you guys. I'm going to go ahead and call my lawyer and call the city attorney, and then we will discuss.
You can come out here and have your...
You have no right into my home. You have passed the threshold. Get your foot off of my door.
You need to come out here to finish this.
Call the attorney.
That's fine. You're more than welcome to.
You have no right to come in here for a speeding ticket.
Okay.
Get your foot out of my door.
But you're obstructing.
I've already heard about you as a chief of police. You're cricket. Get your foot out of my door. I know you have no problem breaking the law. Get your foot out of my door.
Then stand right here. Then do me a favor and stand right here so you can issue the citation.
Sheriff's Department.
Sheriff's Department's right here.
Okay, good. So go ahead and call the attorney.
Okay, this is not necessary over a speeding ticket, okay?
Yeah, I know, exactly. What are you saying that for? Of course, this is a necessary. Go ahead, call our neighbor here and call Silas as well.
Okay, so come on out here so we can issue citation.
I will not.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Yes.
So are you going to come out here so he can issue this citation?
Not at this time, no.
Okay.
Until I have further witnesses to deal with.
Well, you have a county deputy here, so you have 2 options, like I said.
No, that one's very crooked.
Okay.
No.
Step out here.
No, I am not. I am getting witnesses, and then
Okay,
once I
that's
have
fine.
other witnesses here, then I will step
No,
outside.
this is not how this works.
That is
So-
how it's going to work.
No, it's not.
I don't have that.
Okay, you're under arrest.
No.
Open the door. You're under arrest.
Out of my house.
You
Get the
cannot
out.
come into our house.
Open the door. You are
Open the
under
door,
arrest.
or I'm gonna tase you.
Daddy.
Open the door, or you're gonna get tased. Open the door. Open the door.
No, you cannot.
Open
take
the
my
door.
husband.
He's under arrest.
He's under arrest.
You
Open
are
the
not-
door,
Daddy,
or you're gonna get tased.
I don't have their number.
Open the door now, or you're gonna get tased.
Individual was placed under arrest.
I am
Open the
calling for
door,
further
you're gonna get tased.
Wait.
Are you saying you are not allowing me to call?
No, you're under arrest at this point.
I'm calling a witness.
You're under arrest. Open up. Help you push the door.
No! How do you do that? No!
Because he's under arrest.
No, he's not under arrest, Daddy! Stop! I'm not in here!
Get off of me.
I'm not in here!
Taser!
No! 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 I'm not in here!
On the ground. On the ground. Stop resisting. You're gonna get tased
Stop,
again.
Daddy! Stop! Help! Help! Help!
But if we pause for a moment to examine the details of this case, we will realize that it goes beyond a mere traffic violation or routine arrest. The fundamental question here is, does a police officer have the right to enter a person's home without a warrant simply because they opened the door and spoke to them? Does this constitute being in a public place, as the authorities claim? Eli Johnson's defenders argue that entering a home without a warrant and using a taser constitute a blatant violation of the U.S. Constitution, specifically the Fourth Amendment, which protects citizens from unreasonable searches and arrests. The city of Boole, however, justifies what happened by claiming that Johnson engaged with police on the doorstep, which, in their view, put him in a public position that allowed him to intervene. However, what is striking is that all charges against Johnson were later dropped, raising major questions about the legality of what happened. Was there a genuine intent to enforce the law, or is this an abuse of power for which those responsible must be held accountable? What the judge decides in this case could set an important legal precedent and impact the way police treat citizens in their homes in the future. What do you think? Was the police chief's actions a security necessity, or was it a clear abuse of power? Share your opinions in the comments. Perhaps this discussion will open the door to a deeper understanding of citizen rights and the limits of the law.
Send him in your car, or is he? Okay, we got probes.
I'm gonna put it in mine or yours.
Send him in yours right now.
Hold on. I think you still got that knife in your pocket?
Come on, leave that here.
So come over here.